With only a few weeks to go for the level 1 exam, are you struggling with economics? If so, then this brief advice video is for you. First, the context. Economics is 7 readings across 450 pages. So this is almost 15 to 20% of the curriculum. There is a tremendous amount of material, and there are many students who are intimidated by the sheer volume of economics. However, the good news is that economics is only 10% of your exam. There will be a total of 24 questions, which means on average 3.4 questions per reading. So this means that if you are to take a shortcut with one topic, then economics is a good candidate. So with only a few weeks to go, what is the best strategy with respect to preparing for economics? Here is my suggestion. First, do not try to read this material. If you do, you will just run out of time and you will not be able to do justice to the other 90% of the exam. So I suggest you simply listen to my videos. In these videos, I have covered the most important points. So have a pencil and paper ready and jot down the important points as you listen to my videos. Once you are done with the videos for a given reading, do the curriculum examples and practice problems. With the examples, sometimes there is a lot of detail. For example, if you look at the reading on aggregate output, prices and economic growth, there is an example on the IS curve which is very long. Here, I don't want you to do the whole example, but I want you to skim through the solution, identify the important points and learn them. So for example, as you go through the solution, you will see this important equation. Y is equal to consumption plus investment plus government spending plus X minus M, which is net exports. So you need to write this formula down and learn it. Then there will also be a comment that the IS curve summarizes the combination of income and real interest rates at which income is equal to expenditure. These are statements you need to remember. Don't try and understand the details because you don't have the time to do that. Just get the key points, write them down and learn them. There are other examples that are in MCQ format. Those I want you to do. And again, if you see something in the solution that doesn't make complete sense, don't try to understand it fully. Just try to figure out the main point and learn it. The same rule applies to the practice problems. Almost all the practice problems are in MCQ format. Make sure you do them and just make sure you remember the key points that are emphasized in these practice problems. My thought process is that there are several questions in each reading, and by doing those questions, you have a fairly high probability that the concepts tested here will be included in the questions that you see on your exam. So rather than do the full reading, just focus on the examples and practice problems. When you are done with economics, do the CFA Institute topic test on economics. There again, you will get some very valuable practice. And as I've already emphasized, in going through the videos and then working through the examples and practice problems, you need to make sure that you learn the key points and formulas. That is it. Follow this advice and there is a good chance that you will pass economics.